Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. I watch you from Australia. What's good? As a reminder to everyone joining, this live stream and everything that I say on this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's go. Please trade smart and trade safe. What is up? What is up? What's up, Ty? What's up, Power Mindset? Yeah, we got Australia in the house today. Let's go. What's up, Artif? What's up? Road Trades, Patel, Samir, Ashraf. Let's go. Come on now. What's up, Lemon Lime? All I do is come on live and hit bangers all the time, and you know I'm drinking Sprite. Yeah, and it's Lemon Lime. Come on now. Good morning, everyone. Let's go. Welcome in. It's another good day to have a good day. Good day to wake up and choose DOD. NQ pumping. We'll see. We're going to see, my friend. Yeah, we're going to see, man. All right, let me get this premium. Live trading link. Boom. What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. I want to get into trading, but I don't know where to start, and I'm scared I'll never be profitable. Well, that's a valid concern. There is a high likelihood of failure for anybody, and it takes a lot of work. So that being said, you need to treat this like a business and be fully committed if you're going to get into it and take it seriously. It's not for everyone, but it can be. Will everyone be profitable? No, but can most people to some degree do it if they really put their mind to it? I believe yes. I do believe yes. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Welcome in, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. What's up, Tom? All right, guys, what is good? We are ready for a banger day today. I appreciate all you guys going to watch that new podcast I put out with Mr. Danish. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Jesse? I'm feeling it today. Got a great night's sleep. Got 7 hours, so not quite the 8, but got a lot of hours. 7 to 8 hours, we're rolling. Yep, it's not Trojan. You can use VPN on FFF now. That is correct. I stayed up all night trading London and caught the fake out. Well, was it worth sacrificing your sleep? If it was, then nice. Long term for me, you could pay me an extra 2-3 racks on London every day, and I would never personally stay up and trade it because I would never sacrifice my sleep. It's too important for longevity and quality of life. Too important. Watch the interview with the Indian man. Very good interview. When's the next one out? That's a good question. If we need to put out for our next round of candidates. If you are a profitable trader, you don't have to have enormous, huge, crazy results. But even if you've changed your life with trading with $100 a day with DoD, send me a DM on Discord. I'd love to see if you're fit to come to the Team Bull HQ and be a part of the podcast. Team Bull report. I'll be on one in 6 months. Let's do it, my friend. Let's get you on the podcast. Oh. Woo! Excuse me. Thank you, sir. Oh, all right, guys. Let's see here. Let's get these posts out. Yeah, prame. Good morning, everybody. What's up? What's up? What's up? It is a blessed and beautiful Tuesday, everyone. Welcome in. A blessed and beautiful Tuesday. That's exactly what it is. Oh, any of you guys end up trading Asia or Power Hour yesterday? I did not trade Power Hour, and I got on Asia, but I didn't take any trades. Nothing that I liked. I'm very picky with my Asia trades. If I take a trade in Asia, it's got to be good, or really, really small size. It's got to be A++. Because a lot of the setups that work very well in New York don't quite work super well in Asia. We have a grip of stacked key levels above us. You guys see that? We have a grip of stacked key levels up here. Previous day high, pre-market high, point of control. As of now, that'll change, and Asia high. Yeah, we'll see. We could manipulate and shoot down. That's definitely a possibility. It's certainly a possibility. What's up, Gene's Basement? What's up, Stitch? Paulina? Come on, Gene. What pair am I trading? I'm trading the NASDAQ. Trading the NASDAQ. NASDAQita. I don't trade pairs. I don't trade Forex. Forex is a scam. I don't say that lightly. In the smoker today. Ooh, I see you, my boy. Ooh, that chicken looks nice. That chicken looks nice. Looks great. What do you got, a Traeger or something? Or ribs? Oh, I didn't even look close. The ribs. Oh, that looks amazing. Some barbecue sauce. No sauce. Making bands today. How come you no trade ES? I will on rare occasions. There's some times where it can be. You can have an edge and it can be valuable. There's times it can be all right. JD, good morning, my mentor. Good morning, my friend. We do our morning prayer about 2 minutes before open every day. You did not miss it. This is free game, but every time in London, it always fakes out. Possibly. Guys, I will also be live tomorrow early AF at 8 a.m. Eastern time because we have CPI at 8:30. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like to trade the CPI strategy. That being said, it is high risk. If you're trading on Top Step, you cannot trade it. If you're on the Lucid Daily Fundeds, you shouldn't be trading it anyway because it's only for evals. Take Profit Trader Fundeds as well. You cannot trade data. So just be aware of that, please. Be aware of that. I don't want you guys blowing up your hard work. Do I think it's bad to place trades on TradingView? I don't think it's bad. It can lag a little bit sometimes, but doesn't mean it's like bad. I like to trade. It can be not beneficial sometimes, but I don't think it's the worst thing in the world. So the Lucid Daily Fundeds cannot trade data. That's correct. Lucid Dailies, the new daily accounts. That's all. I don't recommend any copy traders yet, and that's not to say that they're all bad. I just don't have any partnerships with any. A lot of them have reached out. Pretty much all the major ones have reached out, but I just haven't tried them yet. I've been meaning to do that. I've just been so damn busy between everything I do with trading and my normal life and my family and the gym. I just have been very busy, so I haven't had a chance to put any significant time into looking at them. I've heard some horror stories though, so just gotta be careful. Even if you find the best one. Uh-oh, look what we got forming on the daily chart here, folks. You see what I see? I see a bird beak. I see a little bird beak action. Higher lows, lower highs. This is likely going to coil, and there's a good chance that if we can break out, that 30,000 breakout is going to be very aggressive to the upside. Yup, the bird. That's right. That's right, baby. That is correct. Let's see. We got 12 minutes left, guys, as far as data goes today. For our trading day, we have existing home sales at 10 a.m. That actually can give us a decent move here and there. It's not the biggest data mover ever, but it can give us a move. It's possible. So we'll see. We'll be cautious of that at 10. Sometimes it's a nothing burger. I'd say it's more often a nothing burger than anything else, but still could be possible. How you guys all doing in Team Bull Premium chat? You guys ready to catch a banger today? Let's go, David. David's ready. Wes is ready. Always ready with DOD. Zypher's ready. Come on now. Purple Heart Trades is ready. You get a Purple Heart? Are you a veteran? Yeti trades a leave for Samoan Islands in 2 days for vacation. Let's get something good to set me off. I'm gonna that now. We really got to do it. Got to send you off on vacation on the right note. First day in here. Let's go. Profit mindset. Welcome, my friend. What's up, Grizzly Glock? Thank you for your service, sir. Oh, Santa had a solid 7 hours. Prefer 8, but I had a good 7 hours of sleep last night. I know, right? It's huge. Yeah, it was. Yesterday I actually liked that that setup. It just had that weird MNQ wick thing. Setup was great. Yeah, it was choppy. Yeah, it was very choppy. It was overall a very choppy day. Well, I'm trading minis on my live today at least. Probably 1 to 2. All right, guys. The stream is also going to be sponsored by FFF, the Funded Futures family. So I will have some accounts that need homes at the end of this live stream. Win, lose, or draw. Just so you guys know, my favorite account with them is the 50K Premier. It has no consistency rules on eval or funded, no daily loss limit, no activation fees, and no minimum buffer for payout. It is genuinely the most beginner-friendly account of all of our partners. I love all of our partners. There's benefits with each. This is the most beginner-friendly with the least amount of rules. If you guys haven't checked that out yet, if you're not profitable with prop firms, if you're tired of burning through money because of hidden rules, this is a good account for you. You can also pass it with CPI. Just saying. You can one day pass it with CPI. Just saying. If you so choose to. What a coincidence. I have a home that needs an account. The Funded Futures family. Yep, the 50K Premier with the Fast Pass. Premier. Yep. Uncler is crazy. Yep. After with code Jdun for the 1 day pass, it's like 116 all in. Honestly, the best rules. The least amount of rules, you could say, which is great for beginners. They have very cheap accounts too. If you want a cheap account, it's not 1 day pass, but the velocities are literally for a 25K account when the activation fee is $16. So cheap. They're hard. I mean, don't get it twisted. I always tell you guys that, like, yeah, it's cheap because it's hard. I mean, all props are hard, but like those are like extra hard. But if y'all love cheap, then go after them velocities. You can get, technically speaking, you could have 5 funded accounts with no activation fee for $75. But yeah, shout out FFF for, because that is intraday drawdown and it's not 1 day pass. You combine those two things, very tough. Intraday drawdown is hard even with 1 day pass, but you combine it with not 1 day pass. I think it's like 40% consistency, so like 3 day pass, it's very tough. So you can't just go, full port it and pass in a day like a lot of people do with intraday accounts. I know what you guys be doing. I know you guys are sneaky little snakes. You sneaky little snakes. I'm funded on the 25K velocity. Nice. You paid like $16 for that account. That's awesome. It's less than a $20 bill. That's coffee for 3 days. It's not bad. All right, guys, we have 4 minutes until open. I appreciate each and every one of you guys being here early, committing to trading smart, trading safe, and becoming 1% better today. I've seen so many of you guys have nice green days yesterday. I saw so many of you guys choose patience yesterday. And I even saw so many of you guys take a loss and then not go on tilt and not make any irrational decisions, which that is a win too. I love seeing you guys grow. I love seeing you guys learn. And I love seeing you guys level up your life. Makes me so happy. Haven't skipped 1 day with my friend Jdun. Let's go. Let's go, my boy. I appreciate each and every one of you guys being here with me today. We are here. We are live. We are blessed. And now I'd love to start our day off with our morning prayer. I appreciate each and every one of you guys being here and being on time for market open and joining us for our daily morning prayer. So Heavenly Father, thank you so much for the opportunity that you've given us today. Thank you for waking us up. Please, we pray that you give us patience, you give us discipline, and you give us wisdom in every decision that we make. We pray that you help us stay humble in our wins. We pray that you help us stay strong in our losses. And God, just know that we are grateful for whatever the outcome, because we're so blessed to have this opportunity, to have this chance at changing our lives, and to have community, and to have peace, and to have prosperity, all thanks to you and what you've given us. Please bless everyone watching this today, their families, any tribulations they may be going through, any sickness they may be dealing with. God, we please pray that you watch over each and every person here, friends, family, loved ones. And in God's name we pray for a good, happy, and blessed day. Amen. Let's get it. Let's kill it today, guys. Let's go. Let's get it. It's game time, baby. We're blessed. We're alive. Energy is high. Let's go. Let's go. I appreciate you guys. Amen. Let's catch ourselves a winner, everybody. Let's catch ourselves a nice winner. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. Hey, I appreciate you, Ian. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We have our market officially open. As always, I'm going to wait for the first 15 minutes. Yesterday was so close to being a nice, solid 1.52R winning day, but that MNQ wick happened. So if I do trade on my live account, I'll be trading minis today. However, if I'm trading on those fundeds I have with those few firms I'm max allocated, it'll be micros. What up, Grizzly? What are you watching? Like 720? Oh, Asia Low's down at 29,660. Oh, snap. It's at 29,666. Yeah, I got to pass on that, bro. I pray for that Asia Low to be blessed. You know, right off the rip. Yep. Let's see what we get. I rebuked that Asia Low. And I demand the NASDAQ to pour down onto it and put holy water on it. And we are going to see you trading the live account today, Grizzly. You got any fundeds you've been cooking up? Nice. Nice. I always say that. That's what the live and prop firm payouts help with. Pay the damn taxes. Yeah, it's in beast mode right now. She's going. I think Mr. Gene's here. What's up, Mr. Gene? Morning, bro. How you doing? Good. Ready to catch a banger? Ready to catch a banger? You don't want to talk about it. What? Well, market's just dumping off the open. 840 to 760. Gene looked over at my screen and just seen a massive red candle down. I'm like, yep, that's how it goes. Come on, bro. You're supposed to tell me to go short. You should have known the market was going to dump. I'm going to get a cup or Gene, give me a cup. Not to pee in for my coffee. Oh my gosh. Just dumper. I think so too. Just dumping because it wants to dump. Oh, whoops. This is there we go. Just dumping off the open because it wants to dump. It got dumped by ES. It's feeling sad. You give me a cup, Gene? You give me a cup. It's just kind of order filled. What? Something. Oh, was that like when you had alcohol to it or something? Wells, you might have to submit a sport ticket or wait for 10-15 minutes. Thank you, sir. Got the DOD cup, the Discipline Over Dopamine mug. Let's go. You know when the DOD mug comes out. Order filled. Who's taking trades? Order filled. Who's taking the order filled trades? Who's out here ripping the longs? As a reminder, guys, we got some great deals in the prop space. We got Take Profit Trader at 40% off and no activation fee with code Jdun. The stream is sponsored by the Fun and Futures family. We got 40% off or 50% off if you're a new member, if you're a new trader of the Premier plan. Those are my favorite plans currently in the market, and we have 1 day pass with CPI coming tomorrow. Just saying. So you guys can use code JDUN on those and get the best possible discount with the Funded Futures family. They were nice enough to appreciate you guys sponsor this stream. Give us some accounts to give away afterwards. So there's some accounts that need to find homes. We got 6 more minutes till the 15-minute open, guys. You use those accounts. Yeah, they're great. They're nice for beginners. I like them a lot too. I do personally like them a lot too. But as I always say, the best thing that you can do with prop firms is use them to your advantage. So if you are consistently blowing accounts and not trading them smart and trading them safe, then you probably shouldn't be trading them at all. If you're willing to work on yourself and work on your trading and implement good habits, then they can be very beneficial for you as a trader and for your system. Only if you're putting in the work every day. Got close to that Asia low. Got about 13 points away. Let's see here. All right. Good morning, everybody on the TikTok. I appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, I trade live every single day, Monday through Friday. This is our main live stream, so I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button. I'm also live on my U to the Tube Jdun trade. So if you want to see full screen share, more accounts that get placed in others' hands, make sure you guys tap in, go on over to the U to the Tube. I have a free course there. I have tons of free strategy videos, and I'm live there at the same time every single day. U to the Tube. I want to see at least 50 of you guys go over. Make the transition. We're building the largest community ever over on the Tube. So win, lose, or draw, we take every trade live. If you guys hit that like button enough, if you guys get this live to 110K likes, tap that screen over and over. Good things happen. I know with 1,000 of you guys here, should be no problem to get to 100K likes within the next 10 minutes if you guys each tap for a minute. You to the Tube, same deal. I appreciate you guys being here, hitting that thumbs up button, hitting that subscribe, and also pressing that bell icon so it notifies you when I go live. Appreciate y'all tapping in, trading smart, trading safe, staying focused, and being here every day. Appreciate each and every one of you guys tapping in with the squad. Let's get it. Look at us bouncing that pre-market low. Let's see. Let's see. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, I would love for you to check out the brand new Team Bull website. It has the best prop firm comparison tool on the market for you. It's 100% free to use to your advantage. You can take the quiz, find the best firm for you, and compare firms side by side. So if you're looking for all the rules in one place to find your best fit, go to teambull.com to find your fit for the best prop firm and the best discounts. I appreciate you guys at least checking it out. So that looks solid. Thank you, guys. Clean. Just sub to your U to the Tube. I appreciate you, fam. Thank you. New to the stream, what are you trading? The NASDAQ. Occasionally the S&P, very rarely. We're not seeing any divergence today, which is good. We have both the NASDAQ and the S&P with some downward pressure. So we'll see if we can get any continuation there. Looks like our midline point is going to be around the 760. Less than a minute left until our 15-minute range is in. I seen that SpaceX is having a nice little move up. No, Mr. Grizzly, it's not going to give you your high volume continuation, huh? Jdun been solid since day one. It's hard to find that nowadays. I appreciate you, bro. From the ground up, man. Like Drake says, started from the bottom, now we're here. I resonate with and understand what a lot of you guys are going through that are trading to change your life, that are working jobs while trying to learn, that are in school while trying to learn. I've done it all. So I get it. I get it for sure. It's not get rich quick. It's not get rich easy. It's not make money fast, but it is potentially change your life and make solid money if you dedicate your life to it and you give it your all and you choose DOD. Working evenings to fund my trading. That's what's up, Calhoun. You're grinding, bro. Respect. Write down. Maybe we'll get a traditional orb setup today. Below Asia low, too. Our 15-minute range is set on NQ, everybody. That means it is scenario time. That means it is scenario time. So as of now, we're having some downward pressure in both the S&P and the NASDAQ. Downward pressure in both S&P and NQ. At this moment, shorts for traditional orb and Asia low break look good on the retest. We will need 5-minute confirmation. If we end up getting a move up, we have a lot of resistance above 15-minute high. So we'll need to break through our wall of key levels in order to take a long up there with confidence. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. DOD. Well, this candle is going to have more volume, so we know that. Now it's going to be a matter of how it closes. Whenever you're very close to the previous candle's volume with 2-3 minutes left on the time frame candle, it's almost certain that we're going to see aggressive volume push here. We're not getting a ton of selling pressure on the 1 minute. I'd rather see some more confirmation there too. But 5 minute looks decent. And 15 minute isn't super useful to us until like 45 minutes an hour into the day. 15 minute can be very useful later on. I love the 15 minute chart, just not for a bit. So let's find a nice winning trade. We also have existing home sales in 11 minutes. Yep. $7.27, so $7.30. You know, we can watch for a traditional orb setup as well. If we close down here, we have Asia low, which I'd rather see us close aggressively down at like 630 and retest into this Asia low like 660 to 680 area with stops at 725. It's a little wider, but that's what I would traditionally like to see. Gives you a little more edge that we're going to have some continuation down. I don't love that we're wicking up and we're going to close likely right at this 15-minute low, right above Asia low. So we got a majority of this candle is down. We can watch for like 680 to 690, I guess, for shorts. I'll likely use less size. I don't like when we close right near the that 50%. But that said, I'm going to keep it on watch. I'll let you guys know if I enter. I don't think it looks bad either. I think it actually looks halfway decent. I'd like to see us. I wanted to see us go a little closer to 690. At that 680 area, we had a risk up to 725. So 45 points, which isn't horrible, but not ideal. Not ideal with that trend-setting candle up there, but not necessarily a no-go completely. We'll see. Said your forearms keep cramping up. We got a battle. We got this little pivot area right here. Asian low in the middle. 15-minute low. Yeah, come on. Yep. I'm going to test a piece above 680, guys, of shorts. Tried the shorts. I did try the shorts. I wanted to wait 682. I wanted to try up here. I'm only going to try it lightly. I'm trying it lightly up here. If we get a close high volume above this 15-minute high, I'll stop it early, or at worst case, 725. Yep. Come on. I'm going to push it down now. Downwards dog. It's yoga time. Come on. Come on, Big Betty. You're giving birth to twins. I need you to push. Hard stop at 725. Just trying. There we go. Come on. Come on. I'm going to take a trim at 25 points at 55, guys. Come on. Push down. I'm going to take a trim. Come on. It didn't feel me there. I didn't quite get it. Come on. I tried to trim. I'm gonna go ahead here. I was just about to trim. It didn't fill me. Because I was trying to trim. I'm gonna put my stops at 700. So typically I don't like to move my stops until I trim. I tried to trim. It didn't fill me. But in case we go above this previous candle high, I put my stops at 700. So I de-risked a little bit from a stop loss standpoint. I did not get a trim off. I tried to. I put the limit order in. It didn't fill. But we're holding this pivot. We're right at this Asia low. We're at entry area here. I'm still going to give it a little room to breathe. But I don't love that we made a higher low in this last 5-minute candle. So we'll see. Well, that's so lame. It was literally so close. Literally so close. So close. Had the limit order set right there. Should have just marketed it. I don't like that we're holding. We made this higher low here at this area of support, this pivot here. So if we end up pushing up, I'm going to stop early. It'll still be a red trade, but it'll be less red. And I'll look for re-entry. All right, guys, trade's over for me. I'll look for re-entry if we fail the 700 area. It went almost 25 points, but it didn't fill my trim, so I'm going to be cautious here with this higher low made. If we end up failing this area up here, I'll look for re-entry. Look for a re-entry for shorts, everyone. But I'd move my stops down here. Trade's over for me. I'll look for a bigger and better trend entry if we come up here and fail. I think there's a good chance that we hold this now. Since we made this higher low at this area of support. If we get a nice push down here, I'll re-enter. And I'll look for continuation down, but I don't trust it fully with this higher low made here. I wanted to see us push up and then get continuation down below this low. We'll see. Potentially re-enter. There's potential to re-enter, but I want to see us fail this 700 area. Ideally fail and push down to like 680, 670 again with higher volume. If we don't get that, I'm not going to trade it. So we went like 25 points going on 30. We just didn't happen to get my limit order didn't fill for a trim. So it's all right. Went in the right direction. I just didn't get as much as I wanted to see and don't like how we're pushing up now. And we also have news. Yep. Don't. If we fail this now and push down, I'd love to see us get a re-entry. I hate trading in the data too, unless we're already in a winning trade with like stops at break even. I hate trading in the data. This was kind of my worry that we were going to see. Whenever you make this higher low at a support like this, that's what kind of worried me there. Was even though we had this wick here looked decent, we got that push down, higher low at a level of support. Not what I want to see. Not what you want to see when you're catching trends. So we'll see. and aggressive candle close above pre-market low, above this low. Not aggressive volume, but aggressive body above this level of support and above 15-minute low. So all those signs. You know, that was one of those times where you get that push down. Almost got a trim off. Not quite, but almost. And de-risked and saved myself some money. So we'll see. We'll see if we can catch another banger. See if we can catch a nice trend day. I'd love to see a nice trend day move. What I'd really like to see as we wick up into here, we get a reversal candle on the 5-minute, and then we go and test that low a day again. That's what I'd really like to see. That's what I'd really, really like to see is we come up and fail this area, say swoop up, take some liquidity out, and then swoop down, trap some buyers, push down. So you're reclaiming all these key levels. It's very, without any confirmation, I'm not just going to short. We have this aggressive push up, or push down, excuse me, off the open. The trend as of now is down. We'll see if that can continue. You lost your house on 20 points, less than 20 points, like 17 points. You must have a really lost your house. 17 points. Let's see here. Maybe you have like a $240,000 house in the Midwest, like Iowa or Nebraska or something, and you're trading 700 contracts, 700 minis. Honestly, I had high hopes for that, especially as we started rejecting that lower high. I really thought it was going to move, but I have high confidence for today's trade, for today's trading day. I have high confidence. I'd like to see either A, some continuation right here, or B, a solid candle for a reversal. Touch VWAP. Find a solid candle for reversal and try to bring it back down. We'll see. We're going to trade smart, trade safe, and choose DOD. Small losses and big wins. Took a 17-point loss to start the day. It was up almost 25. I actually tried to trim a little early, and it didn't fill me. So we'll see. We'll catch a banger here. Maybe a higher volume push here. Not a 2-bar, but potential continuation over VWAP and over these key levels. It's possible. You lost $1 million V-bucks. All right. Let's see. I'd love to see us have a solid 5-minute candle up, higher volume, and find one nice winning trade. That's all it takes is one nice winner. Not getting that reversal action we want to see. Maybe we get some massive push down. Reject VWAP. Reject our 50%. Let us move down. Come on. Jdun's going to look like the Hulk in that interview. So yeah, it's not great so far. We don't really have a trend. I don't mind trading reversals either if we get any sort of solid confirmation, but this was like push down, aggressive wick down, and then rip up on lower volume. Not ideal. And now if we do end up getting this V-shaped recovery, guys, please watch for this. If we get another aggressive candle up, we can watch for a potential continuation with that to the upside. For a true upside setup, I want to see us either A, have a really good candle in here above VWAP, or B, ideally get a really strong push into these key levels up here. I still think from a daily perspective, upside looks good. You know, we've had this coiling happening where we have lower highs, higher lows, and we came from upside. So a lot of times when you see us move up, coil, you'll see that trend continue in the direction that it came from. We also have CPI tomorrow, so we might just chop for the day or slowly move up on lower volume. So we'll see. We will take it slow and potentially be a just under break even red for me, or hopefully find a nice winner and have a really nice green day. I'd love to see some aggressive price action. Love to see us come and just fail this massively, retest into the VWAP, the 50% retracement, and then die. That's what I'd really like to see. Tradeify growth is 1 day pass. Yep. Also, for everyone in Team Bull Premium, we do have Jared Tendler today at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, Power Hour. So if you've been struggling with your trading psychology or with your discipline, that is a massive perk of being here. I highly suggest you guys use it. He is the GOAT of trading performance psychology and a clinical registered psychologist that I pay for you guys to utilize for your trading. Yep. As always, too, I appreciate you guys tapping in, checking out teambull.com. If you are trading with prop firm accounts and using them to the best of your ability to better your trading, check out teambull.com to compare prop firms. The best tool for you guys as prop traders to compare firms side by side and to be able to utilize them to the best of your ability. Teambull.com. Let's go. Come on. Give us one solid setup. Give me a nice winner. One nice trend day. That's all I'm asking for. Not asking for the world. Not asking for $1 million. Just asking for a trend day. That's it. Make sure you hit that follow button, guy. You know, you got to take every trade in the system. Yeah, less than $400 so far. So it for how I trade, for me, that's pretty much break even. Slightly red, but pretty much break even. No stake for me tonight, unless we catch a winner. True, bro. Jdun is part of the very few that actually cares and tries to instill discipline in us to become better traders. Appreciate that, bro. Hopefully we don't just trend up on lowering volume, guys. Please, for the love of all that is good and all that is great, don't trend up on lowering volume. We got this 15-minute chart coming in. We'll see if we can get some nice confirmation with the 15. All right, guys. First piss like a racehorse of the day is coming in hot. We're going to find a banger today. I know it. I can feel it on my bones. Gene, you want to come take over and say what's up? The Burrito Bandit's back.
Hello. What's going on? Man, what is this market gonna do? I'm awake. I didn't find the dog. He found the dog. I'm blinking more than 2 times. I only stream in the Discord. Yeah, I will. We'll be there for Asia.
Gene, time to find a winning trade. I can't even move the market with my bathroom trades. That's how slow it is. I can't even move it with my bathroom trades. What am I supposed to do then? Come on, man. All right, guys, we are about 45 minutes in. This is your routine reminder to choose DOD, discipline, over cheap garbage, self-destructive dopamine. Please stay true to your trading habits, trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose DOD. You think of... Yeah, come on, Grizzly. Thanks for losing and blowing my account. Let's go. Jdun is such a scam, guys. He gives away a ton of free game, calls out banger trades, keeps positive vibes, only encourages people every day to do their best. I don't see why anyone would give him a follow. Yep. Even if we had an aggressive reversal candle here with higher volume, I'd try it. A VWAP. We're at the 50% retracement of the day. Right around that midline area right here. We also have CPI tomorrow as well, so be cautious of that. As a reminder, if you're on the YouTube, I appreciate y'all being here, hitting that subscribe button and pressing that bell icon and pressing all so it notifies you when I go live. I do trade Power Hour sometimes. I also trade Asia on occasion as well. So tap in, make sure you guys hit the follow button. If you're on TikTok, I appreciate y'all hitting that follow in the top left corner. And I appreciate you guys coming on over to the Tube as well. Jdun Trades. I have a ton of free game there, tons of valuable free content for you, and I trade live simultaneously with this. What banger trades? Well, you look at my win rate, it stays at 70-80%. How I trade is very simple. I keep my losses small and my wins stay big. I'd love to see a nice trend entry. For a nice trend day, if we just chop and move V shape back and forth, then likely not a trading day that I am going to like. Appreciate you guys tapping in. If you are trading on futures, on prop firms, I appreciate y'all using code JDUN. Trading smart, trading safe. Getting yourself the best possible discount with DOD and DOD only. If you're not trading with DOD, then it should not be for me, for you. Lost part of the game. If you've been here past month and followed every play, you'd be up massive. I tell people that all the time. Your job is to keep your losses small and mitigate your risk when market conditions aren't there. And then when market conditions come and you get solid follow through and trend, you go at it full force. We will go at it full force. Am I most profitable during New York? Yes. More profitable than, this could give us a decent potential short setup here. If we do get this candle closed down, I will watch for a retest into this view op and midline, like 760 area with stops for shorts with stops at like 790. Now, in the chance that we end up bouncing point of control and holding above these key levels here, that's a loss I'd be willing to take, just so you guys are aware. But if we get that strong reversal candle at a key level like that, I'm willing to at least try it and see if we can get some continuation down. My hopes aren't extremely high with CPI tomorrow and how the market's been so far today, but we'll see. It could be a potential trade. Could be lining up for us for a potential trade. CPI is arguably the most volatile news day that we get. So this actually doesn't look half bad, guys. A retest of VWAP 760 to like 770 with the stop loss on this stuff to be around like 790s. Doesn't look horrible for shorts, guys. I'm trying another piece of shorts, guys. Tried it at 760. Did try the shorts. If I lose, it's Grizzlies' fault. That's great. So I gotta at least try it, guys. If we end up building above the 793, I'll take my loss to the chin. 760 to 770. If we end up just V-shaping, this is the only spot I see for reversal. So if I lose, I will be 0 for 2. 0 for 2. The first loss, 17 points. This loss will be about 30 points. Just over. Yep. It's thinking about it. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't bounce point of control. Oh, come on. 7-6. Now die. Honestly, even if this stops me, though, we got the initial move 760 on the 7, almost 735. Another trade that went over 20 points profit and then stops. At least it didn't go and stop right away. It showed we had the right idea, but just didn't work out. I don't like the work. What? 795 is where my hard stop is right now. Maybe 793, but it's at 795 now. This is the area I like. 760, 770 for shorts, guys. Wow, we literally went and bounced point of control and we're moving up. How lame. So if I lose again, sorry, guys. Trying. This is the area I like. 760 to 770. Come on. Come on, die. Give birth, Big Bertha. Come on. Push out the twins to the downside. This is honestly a trade that I would take 10 out of 10 times, though. We just got to break down this point of control. Got my hard stop at 795, everybody. Come on. It's trying. Needs to push below this point of control. We push below point of control again, I'll trim. These sellers have no freaking huevos on them. Come on, sellers, do something. If you had an entry closer to 770, guys, Don't wait for me. Manage how you see fit. I'd like to see us move further down. I'd like to see us move below this point of control to trim, but the position's up right now, so don't whine to me if it goes and gets stopped out. I'm following my plan. Don't be yelling at me if we pump up and if I get stopped. Follow your own plan. Holding this point of control. I don't love that. I don't love that we're directly holding point of control. We got to move from 760 to 770 down to 736, but no follow through from there. I'd like to see us push down even further to like 730s, 720s. Scalping wise, though, you can scalp it. It technically got just to that 1-to-1 area. Break out the bear mask. Break out the bear mask. We could. Come on, push us down. Come on, sellers. Do something with your life. Do something meaningful for us. Not a lot of selling on this candle. Not what I want to see, guys. Not what I want to see, guys. We went to 1-to-1. I wanted to see a bigger move on this. Holding point of control, not the best. Not the best situation, but not the worst. The risk is managed. Again, it's in profit right now. If you don't like what you see, then manage to trade how you see fit. Come on, Mr. Bear's out. Mr. Bear's out. Come on. He's hungry. Let him eat. Let me eat. Come on, Bears. You got my power with you. Come on. Come on. Mr. Bear's hungry. Let me eat. I'm trying to feast. I'm trying to feast on the beast of Nasdaq. Come on. Come on. That's what good job, my Cubs. Now push us down more. Come on, Cubs. Push us down, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dang it. Come on. Push. I don't like that we're flagging in here. It's risk is managed at 795. I'm not going to add any more. I'll tell you guys right now, you don't want to see us making a higher low here after pushing down to point of control. So at least we got to that 1R point. I wanted to personally see a bigger move. Not sure if we're going to get it. So sorry if we don't, guys. Had the right idea. Pushed from 760 to 770. I just hope we can find that lower high here. Not see some massive push up. We were moving nicely. We were doing so good. Yeah, this does not look good, guys. This candle right here, I'll tell you right now, does not look great. 5-minute close there. Not higher volume, but I'm going to keep my original plan in place. We got down to 1R, but no continuation. Just chop. We're back near break even. If you don't like it, feel free to manage how you see fit, everybody. We're at break even. So if you don't like it, this is your chance to jump ship. I'm personally holding to my plan. Might end up resulting in an L, but I'd rather follow my plan than jump ship early and watch it dump. So come on. Back in the green. Come on. Come on. Give me everything you got, Nice Nikita. Let's go. Come on. Push it. Come on. You're so close to my trim. You're so close. I can taste it. I can smell it. Bears have incredible noses. I can smell from 3 miles away. I know you want to go to price target. Come on. I can smell it from 3 miles away. From 30 points away. Come on. Everything you got. Come on. All right, guys. I'm going to take a trim down here. I'm taking a trim down here. I'm taking a mother freaking trim down here. Come on. Push it down. Come on. 760 to 770 area add. Let's see if we can get further push. I want to see us go low a day on this, guys. I want to see us die. 760 area, 770 area. If you guys did take the later entry or add, I want to see us push down to Gulag now. Come on. I'm going to stop the rest at 770. Move my stop down to 770. Look for re-entry if it gives it, but we're just chopping. So I'd like to see us continue down. Not going to let this go red, though. So we'll have one winner, one loser. Come on. Push down. Give us some continuation. Anything. Come on. Come on. Give us low of day. I'm not asking for that much. Don't stop me out in the res. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Don't stop me. Please do not stop me. Take it. Even if it goes and it's 770, one winner, one loser. This market is horrible right now. We're horrible. It's chopping. Everything looks so good. All right, guys, trade's over for me. We might end up seeing a retest, but right now everything is looking like it wants to continue up. We got the move from 760 to 770 area down to like almost 730. So we got over 1R on it. I like to see that, but now we're having an aggressive push up here. Strong wick, higher volume. It almost looks like it wants to break out of this range and continue this upside. So we'll see. We'll take it. Break even on the day. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. Not the best, but not the worst. No way you can count that as a win. What are you talking about? It literally went up over 30 points. If you had 770, 40 points. Not big enough. Well, the first loss was 17 points. Technically speaking, if you put the exact same risk on for both trades and took profit and exited the exact same spots, you'd be green. I want to see bigger moves, so we're at break even, but nope. I still think we can move. We can get a nice move. Honestly, right now it's looking... Made 720 nice. It's looking like we want to retest into here and then move up. That's where I'd probably put my money if I had to. After that last trade. I don't know how you lost money on that trade. It literally makes no sense. Unless you added super late, which in the most respectful way, you shouldn't add late. That's your fault. Respectfully. I still don't say that in a mean way. At a minimum, I could see you stopping at break even. But not losing money unless you chase to the downside, then respectfully, then that you got what you deserved. If I chase to the downside or if I chase to the upside and I enter late and I lose, I get what I deserved. You know, it's not personal. It's not mean, but bad trade at 40 points. You guys are so funny, bro. May God bless you. Why is it always the people that don't follow me? It's always the people that don't follow that come in and they wait. It was literally a winning trade. Literally, it's always the same people. But you know what? For the haters, God bless you. I love you. And I hope that you make massive amounts of money today. So, both are good for you. Yeah, the first one was okay. I mean, it went technically more than it ended up stopping, but go back and watch. I'm done. You know what? You guys are literally silly. I'm done. They're just trolling. Winning trade. Technically speaking, I'm slightly green. I call it break even, but you know what? You do you. They were both losers. Apparently, they both sucked. So, I call anything above or below like 300 break even for me. So, is what it is. I still think now we probably want to move to this higher low point here. If we don't break this down, we like to move up above this 800, and we want to go test these highs. If you guys haven't, you know, especially in this chop, I'll take base hits. Those trades was horrible. Well, at least if you're going to talk T, at least use proper grammar, please. Come on, man. Like I tell the fake Jduns, if you're going to be a fake Jdun and try to scam people, at least use proper grammar. Like, I'm grammar police. At least respect the name, all right? Come on. Don't. Just nothing in this chop zone, man. I made money with your call. Nice. That's awesome. Like I said in the morning prayer, man, you got to stay humble with your wins and strong with your losses. I'm open to another trade. If we get out of the chop zone, I'd like to see us break above 800 aggressively or break down this point of control. That's what I'd like to see. So, small loser and small winner. As a reminder, appreciate you guys being here, choosing DOD, discipline over dopamine. I'd love to find a nice trend day. And a lot of times trading is taking stabs until you can find a really nice move that just goes, and then you hold that winner to the best of your ability. Or at least parts of it. This is point of control because it's the highest volume point of the day on this time frame. That's all point of. Oh, you took shorts too? Oh, I got peanut brain. Yeah. I took my trim on that push down at point of control. I wasn't risking it again with how much we were bouncing in this chopping here. So one winner, one loser. One winner, one loser. We'll take it. Hopefully we just die now. And the haters will be mad about something. Find something to be mad about. You out of here, Gene? See you, bro. Goodbye, Mr. Gene. I got a new Ute the Tube video dropping today as well, breaking down those $10,000 in payouts I recently took on my first tries with both Lucid and FFF. Well, just under 10,000, but you get the point. If there wasn't any splits, it'd be 10,000. Oh, man. This actually looks decent now. If we can get a closed ball point of control would look great for movement down if you're in shorts. As a reminder, guys, make sure you check out teambull.com for the best prop firm comparison tool. Find the right prop firm for you. We worked very hard on the website. I'd love for you guys to go check it out, give me feedback, and utilize it for your own trading journey to find the best prop firm for you, the best deal for you. Yep, compare before you pay. Make sure you're getting the right prop firm for you. Top Step does not allow CPI anymore. Nope. You're coached by prop firms and you need a good system. The best way to get payouts is actually with base hits. I got a fire video dropping today. Let's see if it ends up. Yeah, so basically called the shorts. This was the area I took a trim in before and took some profit. It never went up to the original planned stop loss, but somehow Poonslayer and Babe Magnet 84 on the live stream say that the trade sucked and was not valid. If you're still in, you can trim here too. Sorry, Poop Lips. What? Yeah. Sorry, Poop Lips, Babe Magnet, and Poonslayer. Sorry I let you down, bro. I'll try to do better next time. Until what time do I stop trading? I usually stop after like 11:30 Eastern time or noon. I just trade all day every day. I never stop trading. I trade all hours in New York, and then I go and sleep for an hour between New York and Asia. I get on for Asia, then I trade through Asia and London. All day, every day. I can't stop trading. I'm addicted to it. The buyback was strong, but hopefully we can start to test those levels and break the support. I hope so, if you're in shorts. I'll take my base hits. It's fine. That was my thought, too. Jdun, your win rate isn't 100%. You're a scam. Yep. Not 100% win rate. Paper trader, scammer, unprofitable. Yep. I need stronger coffee or lots of Red Bull for that better word, lack of sleep. Yep, that happens. I love my black coffee. Steph Curry misses 1 3-pointer. Yep, scam. Scam, 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 scam. Yep, that was why I was worried about that point of control. Sometimes it can be really, really strong. It's not always respected, but they're respecting it aggressively today. So that's why when I see things like that, I stay vigilant and I adapt. Don't. How's your guys' day been so far? You guys surviving? You guys surviving this V-shape move into chop? You guys following your DOD? I don't care if you're red or you're green, as long as you're following your plan. If you're red, I hope it's small red. If you're green, I hope it's big green or small green following your plan. That's all I care about long term. That's all that actually matters. Is that you follow your plan. That's what matters most long term. Not if you made money or missed this trade or etc. Typically speaking, August can be a low volume, choppy month. It's historically speaking the lowest volume month of the year. Fun fact. Lost 200 on accident. Happens. As on my You to the Tube channel, Jdun Trades, I'm posting my 10,000 a month payout strategy in 1 hour at noon Eastern time. 11 a.m. Central Time, 10 a.m. Mountain Time, and 9 a.m. Pacific Time. I greatly advise all you guys to go watch it, pay attention to it, and learn from it. It's all about strategy, position sizing, and system. How I took those accounts, traded them, and the first time ever with proof, not churning and burning a million prop firm accounts like a lot of these gurus do, then show you payouts. Going in, minimal spend with maximum reward. The right way to trade, like let's say I didn't already have a live account. Let's say I just had $1,000 and I went and bought those prop firm accounts. You know, after splits, pre-split it would be like $10,000 in payouts, but after splits, I'd have like, you know, just under $9,000 in my name from that 1,000 I put in. I would take that and put it in a live account, and I'd work on growing that. You know, that's the system to use. But if you keep blowing prop firm accounts and not trading smart and trading safe, you're never going to have that opportunity. Now y'all see why I trimmed down there. All right. You guys keep asking for it. Professor Dunn is here, baby. We can see. We got our sniping glasses on, and let's go ahead and find ourselves a winner, guys. Come on. Sniper glasses are on. Let's see if we can get a solid confirmation candle here. If we can get an aggressive 5-minute candle up, we could potentially watch and trade it similar to a 2-bar. Hair all nice and on fleek. Let's go. Not technically a 2-bar. Why? Because it's not an uptrend yet. We can trade it similar to one with that retest, that whole psych number, that resistance turn support around like 780, 800. If we see an aggressive 5-minute candle up, which we will have higher volume on this candle, it'll depend on how it closes. I'd love to see our 15-minute chart continue as well. Man, come on. Give us a high volume continuation candle. Come on. Just nothing. Say it's not been a good day. Right. It's supposed to be clean. No, 10K, but I actually like to make money. Right now on the come up, don't even talk about my stuff because I know I come from the gutter. Then I go pop out and under this linen like I was a baller. How do you hate me? I'm coming from under home with a sleep. And now I pop out the ballistic, they runners, man, tell us I'm tweaking already. I was down bad, I know I done it all. I was serving the fiends like. All right, guys, let's watch this here. We're breaking above this previous resistance turn support, higher volume. 780. I hate that we closed right below 800, but the 780 area don't look bad. Your stops have to be like 765, so you wouldn't have a lot of risk. you'd almost want to extend that to like 760. I'd still personally prefer us in a perfect world to get a nice trend up. We have a big wall of key levels up here. We got pre-market low, previous day high, previous day high right here. And we also have Asia high right there as well. I had to take a call. Are you gonna buy? I'm in nothing. I'm potentially watching for a buy, but it's so you'd have so little room for risk. And here's the problem: is you're in this aggressive sell candle. So technically, we still have a downtrend as we're pushing up. Yes, but you just got to be careful of that. We're also right below 800. Not ideal either. Just for educational purposes. Biggest trading day ever for me. I love seeing you guys post your gains. Even without telling you guys or asking, there's a lot of you guys posting today. I love seeing you guys level up, and we clap for each other's wins in this community. Even if you're not winning, we emphasize and advocate for clapping for others. Clap for others, and your time too will come. Let's see what they give us, guys. As a reminder, trade smart, trade safe. This is your almost an hour and a half, and a reminder to choose DOD. Discipline over dopamine. The DOD system pays long term when you follow it and you stick with it daily in your trading and in your daily life. As a reminder, guys, we got CPI tomorrow, and today is also the last day to buy the Apex Legacy accounts. You can use code Jdun for 90% off. It's the final day for the Apex Legacy accounts if you'd like to trade those. So I'm curious to see how we hold this right here. I'd like to see a little more confirmation with our 15, but this is where I'd look for the longs if I was. Little tight risk with where this candle's at. You'd almost want to extend it till we blow a view up at like 760. We're also in the midst of this downtrend. If we were in a solid uptrend, I would almost certainly take these longs right here. Like almost certainly. Well, I actually personally prefer the end of day accounts, but I know some of you guys like the legacy accounts. So I think end of day accounts will always give you the best probability for payout. I like the 50K end of days with all of our prop partners. Take Profit Trader, FFF, Lucid is great. Tradeify is one of the goats. Fund Next and Apex. We got CPI tomorrow, so good day to pass evals if that's risk you're willing to put on. This stream is sponsored by the Fun and Futures family and, of course, DOD and Team Bowl every single day. So I will have accounts that need to find homes at the end of the stream. Not really. I will be on early for CPI. Yep. What? Yeah. Let's have a long trading. Let's have a long trading morning. See if it ends up pushing. Don't. Apex wanted to move me to the live program. I declined and took the one-time payment. Does that mean I can't trade with them? Probably not. We're vibing in here. Up alone. All right, guys. I'm going to switch my phone over here. We're vibing. We're vibing, and we are going to do our best to find one more winning trade. We got CPI tomorrow, so it might just chop. It depends. What time frame are you on? Okay, so I'll be right back. Going to piss like a racehorse. I'll be right back. Was good. Let's find a banger trade. Yeah, there's no clear trends. That's why I'm hanging out of it. Yeah, my secret bathroom trade once pushed to the downside. This 15-minute chart's showing nothing. Look at this 15-minute chart, guys. I'll put it on the left too. Look at this. Horrible. We swept that Asia low, and we slowly moved, but this is just chopping here. If we can get solid failure of point of control in this low right here at 730, I'll look for another short entry. Yep, I'll look for another short if we can get that. A lot of nothing burgers. All right, come on. Let's see here. Let's see if they finally give us something. So a good shortcoming it might be. Or we just hang out in this range. We all right, that's played. Let's see here. Me and my Metallica. No. We got a potential high volume candle coming in. We're gonna see. You can't argue with the haters, guys. You just gotta let them just bait. They gotta live in their own gotta live in their own skin every day. That's punishment enough. God bless them. Pray for them. Gotta pray for them, man. That's the only way. All right, let's see here what we get. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys hitting that like on the live, hitting that thumbs up, hitting that subscribe on YouTube, the tube, and also pressing that bell icon and pressing all. That will notify you if I go live. We finally gonna get a push down. This is the move I wanted to see originally. I knew it was coming. Let's see here. 780. 740 to 750. I'd potentially be down if we closed down here aggressively for a touch here, and then continuation down. I'd actually really like to see our 15-minute confirmed too. That would be sick. Don't taking my hand. All right, guys. So what I want to see, if we're going to get any continuation to the downside, is a push back up into like 740 to 755 for shorts with stops at 780. You must accept the risk if you do take that trade or any trade that you take. I think there's a decent chance that it works out. I'd like to see us on this. We saw this aggressive trend-setting candle to the downside. We saw this aggressive trend-setting candle to the downside. If we get a push up into this, there's a high probability that we find our lower high in here and then push down. Now, we've seen these support levels hold intact, for example, with point of control today. So hopefully we don't see the same thing with pre-market low. But I'm willing to watch this if we get it. For that reversal, for that continuation, that retest to point of control area to that 50%. If we end up just buying back that candle, shows we're likely not going to get any solid trend and likely no trade for the rest of the day, or end on a loss there for me. So let's see. Oh, come on. I'd love to see this 15-minute close too. If we got this 15-minute close, higher volume reversal there too, that would look good. I'm going to watch the 740 to 760 area for shorts. I will likely try it as long as all goes well with stops above like 780. Don't like the risk. Don't take the trade. Don't copy me. Please don't copy me. How about that? I'm the worst trader in the world. Don't copy me. Come on, 738 area, 740. Come on, don't just touch this pre-market low and move. I'm looking for shorts. Man, I thought they were going to really give us this this point and control retest, 738. We still might. I'll still look for shorts in here, guys, if we get this test up here. And nothing else matters. You guys go watch that new podcast I did? If you guys haven't watched that yet, it's with one of our Indian traders, Mr. Danish. He's a very good trader, and he made $230,000 in payout for him. He's a very nice guy and a very good trader, and has 3 master's degree, and he's honestly really cool. It's honestly a really good interview. If you guys haven't watched that yet, there's a lot of good value there. Guys, we love our Indian traders. We do the accent for fun. Love our Indian traders. They're great. I'm represent. I hope I do the accent very good. Do I represent with the highest capability and the quality of the accent? Yeah, appreciate you guys all going and liking that. You're long now? Could work. Yep, it's on my alternative YouTube channel, Jdun Trade Recaps. Make sure you guys all go sub, please. I'm disappointed in you, Nazdaquita. Yeah, that Santa Clarota beef is great. I honestly felt really good after eating it too. The Santa Clarota beef I ordered, it's a grass-fed carrot finished. I've been trying some different beefs to order and keep in my freezer. Santa Clarota. It's expensive, but it's good. I like buying expensive food, though. It typically means you're getting good quality. Bro, you guys know what I was so disappointed in? Just so incredibly disappointed in to see? You guys see those studies that came out about Primal Kitchen? How they were saying they were using 100% avocado oil, and they were lying! I was like, nothing is safe in this freaking world. All these companies, they start out with good intentions, and they sell out to people like Heinz and Procter & Gamble and all these garbage big companies, and it ruins our quality, and it drives me insane. It's all seed oils and garbage and crap, and it makes me so sad. I hope it's not true. I hope the narrative's not true, but it's sad, man. It's all a bunch of garbage in the American food system. We're trying to feed you processed meat and pesticides and garbage and artificial colors and artificial flavors. Don't get me started ranting about artificial colors and artificial flavors. You know, we don't do Red 40 in this household. We don't do aspartame or saccharin or sucralose in this household. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. You are twisted if you think that's ever coming in here. No GMOs in this house. Nope. Don't get me started on that. I'm based with all that stuff, man. Go crazy with it. Still looking for shorts. I hate that we're holding this right here, but it could technically be valid like 740 to 755. I don't like that we made two lower lows, then moved. I still think it's valid on the 15-minute chart, though. That entry to be closer to like 750. I fear that we're just going to chop in here. That's what I fear. So close to that potential area. How hard you try. Keep that in mind. But it's on just rhymes to explain the good times. All I know. Fire. Look how close we got to point of control. Look at that. Look how close that got. What is my bias for the day? Well, right now it's to the downside. I'm going to be so bummed if we end up getting this aggressive push down now. Look how close that was, guys. Look how close that was. Oh, that sucks. Mind you, that's been marked out before. I don't take creatine. I eat a lot of steak, though, so I naturally get a lot. I eat steak every day. Sun's out, guns out, baby. Come on. You know what it is? Woo! I got a 6'10" wingspan, too. Got long arms. You stay taking consistent L's. Nope. Sure don't. Last trade was a win. Small win, but it was a win. But God bless you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. In the end. You look like Michael Phelps wingspan, kinda. I'm just a little bit taller than him. Yeah, they're still. You take consistent L's, but I come and watch you every day. Must be doing something right. To lose it all. So this actually wouldn't look half bad for shorts, guys. I like these types of candles. Oh, Nickelback's on. We're catching a banger. Through key level, aggressive push down. If we had some more volume on this, I'd actually look decent for a retest in here. Push down. That said, I would rather see us reject in here. Bro, no one in their right mind can hate on Nickelback. Absolute fire. Just one of the absolute goats. Straight classics. Yeah. Yeah. No. You remind me, guys. Make sure you're trading smart, trading safe, and following the system. It's okay, guys. Part of the reason why I go live and I'm Team Bull is if you lose a trade, you can just blame me. I'll be your scapegoat. You can just blame me. That's okay. I still love you, and I'll pray for you. Jdun is the lead singer of Nickelback. I'm Chad Kroger. You're the reason I'm up 10K. I hate you. Sorry, you're gonna have to pay more taxes now. My bad. My bad, bro. This is how you remind me. Written on a different story. Still no volume confirmation. 15-minute looks a little less aggressive to the downside too. The candle does have BWE, big wick energy. Showing as Jay in a trade. I'm not in a trade, but I was looking for a trade. It just got edged by 2 points. Could potentially still reject in here. It's a little higher risk, though. I'm just not Eminem. Yo, get you guys been hanging around ICT guys. You guys a little Seuss. I don't hang with ICT, bro. Come on, market. We're respecting these levels. As we have a minute in the market, please go check out teambull.com. It's a brand new website I made for Team Bull and as a prop firm comparison tool. Find an account that fits before you fund. Compare before you pay. Teambull.com. Your one-stop shop for finding the right firm for you. Site looks chill. I have no complaints. I appreciate you. Yeah, go use it. I don't think GD trades ICT concepts. He trades fair value gaps sometimes. I'm releasing a new YouTube video today in 30 minutes. But my $10,000 payout with $1,000 in spend with proof. There's a lot of value in it. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, come on now. Give us a full aggressive body down. Maybe a 2-bar? Maybe a little 2-bar action? This is what I wanted to see earlier, this exact setup. But I thought, according to Babe Magna 85, it was going to high of day. It was going to 30,000. I could have sworn they said that. Let's see. Do we try the 2-bar? Do we try the 2-bar at 690, 700? Stops at 720? It's a little sketchy with how price has been, but could work. Oh, man. Come on. Give us something good. Give us a nice... Yeah, not a ton of opportunity. I still think the 2-bar could work here. We are bouncing this 15-minute low and Asia low. 15-minute low is here at 680. Asia low is at 667. I tested a small piece of shorts, guys. I'm trying it. One last trade. I did take this one on the fundeds. Live account is break even, slightly green, so I'm going to leave that. I did try it with some micros on that push up. So you guys know, I did try the shorts for the 2-bar. Last trade of the day. Well, maybe I'll get on for... I probably won't do Power Hour. Jared Tendler's teaching Power Hour, so I definitely won't, actually. This is the area, 690. I'm in those shorts. So you guys know, I'd like to see this low a day test. Come on. Push it down, baby. Come on. 2-bar it. Come on. We got that low a day test, guys. I'm taking off a third of my position at 670. We got the low a day test. That was first price target for almost 1-to-1. I didn't quite get the low a day trim. Up at 670. I'd like to see us push below this and move down. I'm just going 1-to-1 on this first one. So this trade might end up negative R if it stops me out, but it's late in the day. I'm getting off soon. Starting off this trade right. Come on. Push it down. Come on. This is the first trim area, guys, or if you want to take it all off at 1-to-1, you follow your own plan. I like to see an aggressive move to the downside now. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push us down, baby. We got the 2-bar, 690 down to 665. So I'm stopping the rest at 690. I'll take another small win. The Fundled's a good base hit. I'd like to see us just die now. I will stop at 690 though. So you guys know. Either be a low a day or stop at 690. Come on. Break down this Asia low. Come on. If we can break down this Asia low, we'll be in good shape. Otherwise, I'm stopping at 690. We tried the 2-bar, got 25 points. There you go. You got an appetizer for dinner tonight. Nothing crazy, but 1-1. Or we move down, which I'd ideally like to move down. Come on. Push us down to low a day. Give us 650s. This is exactly what a textbook 2-bar looks like. The same trade we took live in real time, and that hopefully a lot of you guys caught at least 20 to 30 points on the way down, and hopefully more. We see the aggressive push down, the retest into that trend-setting candle. We take our 50% retracement, draw into that, take the low, take the short, stops worst case scenario above the trend setting candle, trim at low of previous candle, stops to break even. Now ideally move down. That's exactly what we want to see, and we'd like to see continuation here to the downside, a break of 665 and then an aggressive flush into the 650s. Do we get it? I don't know. It's been very choppy today. We haven't really had a lot of good volume setups, so I'll take another baby base hit if that's all the market's going to give. We had some decent action here. We just missed the entry up here. And then we had a nice reversal at this key level here, pre-market low, this area here, but no volume confirmation. So we got the low of that candle on the 2-bar. I wanted to see us continue down. A lot of times you will, but market seems very hesitant right now. So taking another baby win. Another baby win, and the trade is over for me, guys. So tried it. Wow, a whopping 148 per funded. So on the, technically speaking, we're eligible for payout. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 750 on those. We'll take it. Got that low candle. Wanted to see a low a day. A lot of chopping here. Maybe we see a continuation down still, but I gotta go and start on that free course I told you guys I was starting today. The brand new 2026 updated free course is starting to be filmed today. It's for all beginner traders. It is 100% free. It'll be inside Team Bull. Yeah, a little base hit. Nothing crazy. A lot of times you'll take that trade though, and when you get the continuation, you'll see that lower high and you'll just dump to low a day. So that's what I wanted to see. But in this case, take some off at this Asia low of candle, stops at break even. Even if you just stopped at break even in general, no harm, no foul there. Rhythm isn't it? Can't see my screen. Oh. This is way too messy. There's a lot going on here. There we go. That's better. Way too far away. Bouncing that Asia low. We'll see if we can keep pushing down. Yep, small win. I'd like to see would have wanted to see a bigger one, but shit in the bath. Yeah, I'm taking a bath and trading. What's wrong with that? I love trading from the bathtub. It's my favorite. As a reminder, guys, this stream is sponsored by FFF. The Fun and Features family. We got CPI tomorrow, and they got a lot of one-day pass accounts. Just saying. This actually looks good for continuation of the downside. Watch it dump now, probably. I'm happy. I got a piece of the pie, though. So I think we're going to see a nice move down here. That's what it looks like. So it looks like. As a reminder, guys, in 13 minutes, I have that new YouTube video dropping on my exact strategy to get more payouts with minimal spend and maximum reward. Can you guys make me one promise? Can you promise me you'll go watch it? Can you promise me you'll put aside 10 minutes today to go watch it? And better yourself and better your trading? That's all I'm asking. It's 100% free. I'm asking for 10 minutes of your time to better your trading. And so when we trade live together, you have more confidence in how I'm operating and trading and using the DoD system. That's all I'm asking for. It's a promise there. Damn, Ethan, that thing's a beast. Thing is a freaking beast. Looks like what chased Gina and I on the trail. But I can fly. You want to keep moving down, huh? This is what I wanted to see, was continuation down. The new video drops in 7 minutes, everybody. I'm neither of those, but I like the song. The song said drunk and high. I don't do either of those things. I don't drink and I don't smoke. I'm a straight arrow. What side is blocked in Texas? Oh, the bad one, yeah. So you said Team Bull site. Good, it should be blocked everywhere. It should be banned. Horrible. They're still offering. Currently in hole. I just posted the giveaway link inside the premium chat, Jdun Grizzly Live Trading. You can emote that to enter in order to not clog the chat up. Yep. All right, let's see who all emoted. I got some accounts for y'all from the Funded Futures family. Dude, Evan, you can stop the cameras if you want. So I'm pretty much done trading, so just keep the footage shorter. Does this guy win trades? Does the bear poop in the woods? Is the Pope Catholic? Of course I win trades. Come on. Guys, 2 minutes till the next YouTube video drops. I want to see all you guys go spend 10 minutes today. 10 minutes today. I need each of you guys. 2 minutes from now. I can't see something. There we go. I need each of you guys in less than 2 minutes to watch my new YouTube video. It's called My Exact Strategy for $10,000 a month in payouts. Need you guys to go like it and watch it all the way through. Best case is you sit there and take notes. Worst case is you go hit it, let it play through, and so we can reach more people with the DOD system. All right? Can you do that for me? Jdun Trades on YouTube. Right here, right now, in less than a minute. Go watch it. Go comment on it. Show some love. Let's go, everybody. Woo! Mr. Bull wants you to go watch the video. No, but seriously, though, when you have like 10 minutes, it's like 10 minutes and some change. Y'all are hilarious. All right, guys, the video is dropping. Let's go. It may take a second to show up, but it is dropping. Nice job, B-Jaw. Oh, Gary, come on, man. I'm sorry that happened, bro. But I respect your transparency posting in chat and showing the dark side of trading. So for that, I'm going to award you with an FFF, the Funded Futures Family 50K Prime account. And I'm going to send it to your DM right now, Gary. I need you to be smarter with this one, though, man. It's for real. I know you've won before. You won not too long ago. For everyone who's in live chat, chilling, still hanging out, a part of Premium, I'm also going to drop 2 50K primes right there. First come, first serve. I'm also going to take a second. Show a little love to the U to the tube. I'm going to drop 2 codes there. Each of those is a code for the 50K Prime accounts with the Funded Futures family. I got y'all. Most giveaways do go to Team Bowl Premium, but we show some love to our free streams too. I don't think I'm able to drop codes in the TikTok. So I'm going to go ahead and pick random. Let's make sure they follow me. Vivu, congratulations, Vivu, on the tick to the talk. You've won a 50K Prime account for funding with the Funded Futures family. Congratulations. 50K Prime account. Let's go ahead here and pick some people who emoted the Jdun Grizzly live trading. Let's see here. That's where the giveaway is going. We got first winner being longtime Team Bowl member Nate Trader, I believe from Colorado as well. 50K Prime, and hasn't won in over a year. 50K Prime, a second winner from the Team Bowl Premium in the Jdun Trades chat. Or the Zoom link channel, excuse me. Or I post the private Zoom link every day. PG27. PG27. Never won before either. 50K Prime FFF. Congratulations, my friend. Let's go here. Shout out the Funded Futures family. Some of the best accounts in the industry right now. Let's pick next one. The Devonian. Also a first-time winner. 50K Prime. I'm doing good picking the first-time winners. That's awesome. Let's pick another one. Belated birthday gift. Honestly, for the free stream, you are in here every day supporting. We will give you an account to KMC. KMC. Shout out KMC, showing up and showing love every day to our live stream. 50K Prime account, Funded Futures family. All right, and now I got some 50K premieres as well. These are my favorite accounts in the industry. Whether you win one or not, if you want to trade CPI tomorrow, if you want to take my next trade with me, these are the #1 beginner-friendly accounts that I recommend. Look at these. Look at those shorts going. On that 2-bar, I ended up paying. I managed it a little stricter, but the ultimate idea behind the 2-bar ended up working out really nicely. These are my favorite accounts. You can use code JDUN if you're a new trader with FFF for 50% off them. So a lot of good going on there. No consistency rules, no daily loss limits, no minimum buffers, or no activation fees. Love all those things. Wow, guys, only 20 views so far on the YouTube video. Wow. Jdun Trades, the new video's posted. Let's see here. We got... Don't sleep on the value drop. OG Team Bowl member CP Fibs getting the first one. Premier FFF. I appreciate you guys watching the video. There's a ton of value in it, genuinely. Tell me, what do you see when you're looking at me? Purple Heart trades. All right, you being one of the 20, I'll give you one and entered on the giveaway of 50K Premier. Congratulations. I'm going to go ahead and drop. Hope you're ready with your Fun and Features family accounts. I'm going to go ahead and drop 3 of them in the Jdun Trades Zoom channel in the private community. I just dropped 3 codes, 50K Premiers, first come, first serve on those. Go ahead and drop one more in the YouTube. Show some love. I appreciate you guys going and checking out the new video. It's only 10 minutes. It's only 10 minutes, guys. Shout out the Fun and Features family giving us these accounts. Let's go here to the Jdun Trades. Michelle. Michelle as a lifetime member and never won. Congratulations. First time winning. Congrats. I just sent Vet Chick 09. Vet Chick into animals. Let's go. Animal lover. I love that. Uber Burnett with the Clemson picture. I don't think you've won before. Here's a 50K Premier. Thank you for being a premium member inside Team Bull. Now we got Discipline Trader Program member Tracer. Dang, I got it validated, then almost claimed the code. Discipline Trader Program member. Congratulations. Thank you for being a premium and Discipline Trader Program member. And first time winner. 50K Premier is in your account. Hey. All right, final winner is going to be, before I get off for the day, let's see something. Mad Dog, first time winner, never won a giveaway in here before. Now you have 50K Premier FFF. Congratulations, Mad Dog. Mad Dog, 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 the Mad Dog. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all being here. Please go spend 10 minutes and watch the new YouTube video. It breaks down my entire strategy. It's genuinely super valuable. Genuinely super valuable. And I will be picking one of you later. How about this? One of you guys that likes this, we'll keep this giveaway going for 24 hours. One of you guys that goes and likes it, watches the whole thing, and comments, I'll give you a Lucid Direct. Comment on it so I know you watched it. Comment your favorite thing about DOD or about my strategy or Team Bull. About the community. I'll post the link here. Please go watch it. At a minimum, let it run. Help the CRM. I'm picking one of you guys from the comments to win a Lucid Direct. That's a $360 account. Oh my goodness gracious. That is serious. So, yep, it's on my YouTube channel, Jdun Trades. It's my most recent video. It will be pinned to the profile. Go to my profile, make sure you're subscribed, and then go watch that video, like it, comment on it. I'll pick one of you guys to win a Lucid Direct. Even beyond the giveaway, guys, you should watch it because it's extremely valuable. All right? Put it in the announcements, too. Wheel. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off. Make sure you'll tap in. Please go watch that video all 10 minutes through. Hit that like, comment on it, and I will see you guys later. Probably not Power Hour, but potentially Asia, maybe later, like after 7 p.m. Mountain Time, so like after 9 a.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Appreciate y'all being here, and I'll see you guys later. God bless all y'all. As a reminder, guys, if you're on TikTok, I appreciate you hitting that follow button. I trade live every day. 2 small wins, 1 small loss today. So trickier conditions, but overall, we'll take it. I appreciate you guys rock with me, showing love. And please go watch the YouTube video, Jdun Trades. I promise you it will help your trading. It will be a benefit in your life. And it'll be the best 10 minutes that you consume all day. JDUN Trades on YouTube. It just got posted. JDUN Trades. I trade live there every day as well. If you're on the YouTube already, great. If you're on TikTok, I recommend you go check out the YouTube Jdun Trades. God bless you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Hope you guys all followed your plan and learned and leveled up and got better today. I'll see you later. Peace. Adios.